Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you on how to perfect your AI art prompts on Crayon, a quick guide. Ready to create AI generated art? Let's nail the art of crafting AI prompts for platforms like Crayon. Here's how. Step 1. Master the prompt power. An AI prompt is your creative spark. It's a description that turns into stunning AI art. Step 2. Keep it simple or get fancy. Prompts can be a single word or a vivid phrase. You choose the complexity. Step 3. Talk like an artist. Think of explaining your vision to a painter. Your prompt is your language. Step 4. Gradual perfection. Build your prompt step by step. It's like crafting a masterpiece. Step 5. Elements of a great prompt. A perfect prompt mixes subject, style, perspective, mood, and magic words. Step 6. Start simple, go big. Hyena is intriguing. Want more? Add layers, imagine setting, mood, details. Step 7. The ultimate prompt. For precision, break it down. Subject, style, perspective, mood, magic words. Example. Detailed photograph of hyena on an armchair in a forest. 4K quality. With AR art generators like Crayon, your creativity knows no bounds. Write your prompts, let AI paint the canvas of your imagination, and marvel at the digital wonders you will create. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.